just something about you that I need to know. Look across the room right at you. Come get to know me better.
Clock is ticking. Time for the weekend. Work is coming to an end.
Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. I'm Kezia. Today we're going to be talking about this wig. It is a synthetic wig from AliExpress store Soku. I'm going to leave all the information in the description box for this unit.
I got my eyes wide open, savoring the moment, trying to breathe it all in. If I could slow down the clock, I would. When I'm with you, I just feel so good. I can replay every single night. So for now, let's just take our time. Now that I've got you by my side, tell me, are you ready for the ride? You know we're gonna make it last all night. So let's just take our time.
There is just something about you that I need to know. Look across the room right at you.
What do we think, you guys? I'm going to be securing the front portion. And you can use some heat on this wig because, like I said, I tried it earlier. Okay, let's try the Insta Hold. You ever catch yourself like breathing like extra heavy? That's what just happened to me.
Come get to know me better. There is just something about you.
So, I haven't decided how we are going to style her. I just do a bit of baby hairs right here. Do we even want baby hairs? Okay, well, I'm gonna try a bit of baby hairs and see if that is what we want to do before I cut the hair, you know what I'm saying?
That I need to know.
I don't know about the baby hairs, guys. I think we're gonna not do the baby hairs. Or if we are, we're gonna have to do less than that.
Look across the room right at you. Come get to know me better.
The first time I styled this wig, I did do baby hairs. And then when I looked at the pictures, I didn't like it. So let's just say no to the baby hairs today.
Clock is ticking.
This is the best I can do with this wig. It's all right. It's not my favorite, but I mean, it definitely can look realistic, so that's good. I'm not a huge fan of the hairline. For what it is, it can look cute. Can we do something like that? Okay, it's kind of cute now.
Time for the weekend. Work is coming to an end. I got my eyes wide open, savoring the moment, trying to breathe it all in. If I could slow down the clock, I would. When I'm with you, I just feel so good.
You were trying to finesse this wig right now. I don't know how it's working out for me.
I can replay every single night. So for now, let's just take our time. Now that I've got you by my side, tell me, are you ready for the ride? You know we're gonna make it last all night. So let's just take our time.
Okay, you guys, we might have did that.
Take our time.
There is just
Put some dry shampoo and see if it flows better. which is layered too. So if you could manage to do something like this to this wig, I think it would definitely look good. Before it was just lacking. What do we think, you guys? This, now that we styled it and we fixed it, I would say it's definitely a cute wig. The highlights on it is very pretty, the ombre, and the hair does mimic human hair. It really does look like human hair. There's no shine to it or anything like that. It's more of like the Yaki texture, which is really nice, and you can see like it's not really snagging like what your typical synthetic wig would do. So those are some things that I really like about this wig, but I would definitely say the parting space is not it. There needs to be more parting space on this unit. Like, I don't know what they were thinking, just putting 1 inch parting space. Like, you're so limited to your styles, and considering that it's a synthetic wig, you definitely want to be able to like disguise the fact that it's a synthetic wig. Let me know what you guys think about this wig. I'm thinking we can pump it up maybe just a little more with some powder right along the hair line. So basically what I'm hoping to do is just hide a few of those knots that we can see, because like I said, it's obviously a synthetic wig. And then I will go in with a bit of hairspray. It's not bad. It's definitely takes some work to get to where it is right now, but it can definitely look cute if you put in some work. So I think it's not bad. I would say check them out if this is something that you might be into. I'll leave all the information for Soku or Soku. I'll leave all the information to Soku in the description box for you guys if you want to check them out, if you're in the market for some synthetic hair that is not shiny. This is definitely not shiny. No one would know that it's a synthetic wig unless you told them. That's my final thoughts on this wig. I hope you guys enjoyed this video. If you found it helpful, definitely leave a comment, and don't forget to give me a thumbs up so I can continue to bring content like this. I gotta run, guys, but I'll catch you in another video. Bye.